I just earned $30 in a single day by leveraging this site where each YouTube video liked turns into cash. All you need is a YouTube account and a few clicks to start earning between 20 to 40 cents per video liked. I've curated all the steps for you so you won't have a hard time. So make sure to stick around and follow this blueprint to replicate my success. In this video, we're guiding you through the steps of 1. Getting started with our money-making website. 2. Learning how to earn. 3. Turning your points into followers. 4. Selling your accounts and profiting. Now let's get started. Imagine this. By simply liking 100 YouTube videos daily, you could pocket anywhere from $20 to $40. And guess what? If you can manage to do more than that, your earnings could skyrocket even further. Let's dive into our first step, which is checking out this website, addmefast.com. It's your go-to spot for turning likes on YouTube videos into real cash. AddMeFast is like a hub where you can engage with social media and earn points, which you can then swap for actual money. It won't cost you a dime to join, and you've got options for getting paid, whether it's through PayPal, cryptocurrency, or other means. Take a scroll down the page to get the hang of it and familiarize yourself with how everything works. All you really need to get started is a YouTube account. No need to stress about having a huge following or tons of videos. Just having a YouTube channel will do the trick. And if you don't have one yet, no worries. You can easily create a free account on youtube.com. Now, let's head back to the website and dive into how you can start racking up points and turning them into cash. Let's go ahead and set up your account. Simply head over to the Try for Free section, enter your email and password, complete the I'm not a robot check, and hit that sign up button. Once that's done, check your email for a verification message. Just click on the link to confirm, and then you're ready to log into your account. Now, when you land on the homepage, don't stress about getting lost or confused. For now, just stick with me and follow along. We'll get you up and running to start making some cash in no time. So stay tuned and pay close attention. In step 2, I'm going to show you how to earn money on this platform. The idea is to rack up points by getting involved with other people's social media accounts. That could mean anything from following someone on Facebook to giving a like on Instagram or Twitch. Every little engagement earns you points, which you can then convert into some sweet cash. But in this video, we're skipping the Instagram and Facebook stuff, although you can totally dive into that if you want. Our focus today is on YouTube likes, since it's the easiest way to stack up those dollars. Just give this option a click, and you might get asked for verification if you're a human pop-up. Once you clear that, you'll land on a page where the points start rolling in. You'll earn 4 points for every YouTube video you like. To get those points, just hit the like button and watch the magic happen. No need to watch the whole video, just a quick like will do. Once you've done that, hop back here and hit confirm. Once I hit that like button, I got 4 points straight into my account. This website works worldwide, so no matter where you are, you're good to go. Plus, you can do this on your computer or even on your phone. Super convenient, right? Now here's the deal. The more videos you like, the more points you rack up, which equals more cash in your pocket. So consistency is key. Just spend a few minutes each day smashing that like button on AddMeFast, and you'll be seeing some decent dough rolling in every month. Speaking of the like button, if you're enjoying this money-making method I've got for you, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in more videos such as this. Now on to step 3. Head on over to where it says add site/link. That will take us to this page. We're gonna take those points we've been stacking up and flip them into Instagram followers. AddMeFast isn't just about YouTube. It's a whole social media engagement platform. You can swap your points for likes, views, and followers on all sorts of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But for our method today, we're focusing on turning those points into Instagram followers because that's where the real money-making potential lies. I'll walk you through how to do it in the next step. For example, if you've racked up 1,000 points from liking YouTube videos, that could translate to around $25 worth of Instagram followers. Click to choose Instagram followers, pick worldwide for countries, and enter your Instagram username. It's a good idea to create a fresh Instagram account for this purpose. Once you've done that, just type in the username and you're good to go. You can leave the other options as they are. The cost per click will depend on the number of points you invest, which in turn determines the number of likes you'll get. Once you've filled out all the details, just hit Save Changes, and you'll start seeing those real Instagram followers roll in, based on the points you've accumulated. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Now on to the fourth and last crucial step, which is where things really start to get exciting. I'll walk you through how to start cashing in on all your hard work, and for that, we'll be turning to this website called playerup.com. PlayerUp is this awesome hub where you can buy and sell all sorts of social media stuff such as accounts, engagements, you name it. It's pretty versatile. You can find Instagram, YouTube, Twitter accounts, and a bunch more up for grabs. Now what we're interested in selling here are our Instagram accounts that we've been growing on AdMeFast. PlayerUp is hands down one of the top platforms for selling Instagram accounts at some pretty solid prices. All you gotta do is scroll up a bit and hit up the section that says Instagram accounts buy, sell, trade. Once you're there, just give a click where it says Instagram accounts for sale. Check out other people selling Instagram accounts left and right. There's this person offering a 3K follower account for just $8 and another one selling a 20K follower account for $40. Crazy, right? It's like a marketplace frenzy with tons of people jumping on board. So if you want to get in on the action and list your own account, just scroll back up and hit that sign up button. Then, it's as easy as typing in your email, selecting no when it's asking if you've got an account, and hitting sign up. Once you're verified, you're good to start listing your accounts for free, just like all these other sellers. In summary of this video, start by signing up on admefast.com and piling up those points by giving YouTube videos some love. Then, swing by the ad site /link to convert those points into Instagram followers. Once that's sorted, head over to playerup.com, sign up for a free account, and get ready to sell those Instagram accounts. Don't forget, you're not limited to just YouTube likes and Instagram followers. You can score points by engaging on other platforms like Twitter, Pinterest, or Reddit too. And it goes the same for turning points into Instagram followers either. Try Facebook, Twitter, you name it. You can sell them all on playerup.com. Personally, I'd recommend focusing on Instagram and YouTube accounts for the best results. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Also, one last thing. Are you looking for other unique ways to earn some extra money? Check out the first link in the description below. You'll find a great way to earn free PayPal money by watching short YouTube videos. This method is perfect for everyone regardless of experience and can help you make up to $700 per day. The linked video below will walk you through the process step by step, so why not give it a try? It's an easy and productive way to earn some extra income. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!